Welcome to our lesson about Photoworks Studio. We can open the Studio from Photoworks on the menu strip, or we can launch the Studio from the toolbar. Here we can select Scenery from this drop-down menu. Set the image quality as low, medium, or high. Double-click on the preview to open it in a floating separate window. If you've got Real View active when you scroll through the scene, you're going to see the scene change in the graphic area. I don't keep it active. I use the preview window instead. Let's scroll through the scene options to see what they look like. And maybe a couple more. The scene name appears at the top of the preview window, kitchen background in this case. Let's click OK and close the preview window. Now let's render our image. And let's expand the scene folder in the tree. Kitchen background appears here. Let's double-click on it to edit. On the Manager tab, Kitchen Background is selected. It can be found inside the Open folder Presentation Scenes. Let's go to the Lighting tab. A predefined light source is selected, 00 kitchen_background. Let's go to the Environment tab. An environment image is selected, and we see it reflected right here in the model. Let's go to the Back Foreground tab. Cubic image mapping is selected. Let's go to the Room tab. Here are the size and visibility presets, and back to the Manager tab. We could establish all of the room, back and foreground, environment, and lighting properties manually, but Photoworks Studio saves us time and effort and does a pretty good job. I won't apply these changes. And this concludes our lesson about Photoworks Studio.